Are you looking for a property, Winslow Township, big acreage, needs a little bit of repair, nice price? This one could be for you. Let's check it out. Today we're at 16 East Factory Road and we're in Winslow Township. This is the Berlin zip code 08009 and I'm hard pressed to see any human beings around me. There's a couple houses in the far distance. I got a cornfield and I have this glorious 1.73 acres back here. So you have a huge property. It's shaped like a piece of pie. It's awesome. Got these two garages here, 2 car, 1 car, all's good there. Let's check out just the expanse here, how beautiful this is. Large, I mean, this has to be close to 100 years old, this maple tree, absolutely gorgeous. So this one's being sold strictly as is, meaning that the seller is not gonna make any repairs. You could do your inspections, but he's not gonna do any repairs. And the septic is definitely a little bit older, so you're gonna wanna check that out. And there were some pipe breaks in the wintertime where we had a frozen baseboard heat, but that's been repaired by a licensed plumber. A little bit of damage to the floors, no big deal, nothing that you can't handle. Let's just check it out and take a little walk back this way. I like to play golf. I don't know about you, but I could imagine just coming out here and hitting a pitching wedge for hours upon hours. You have tremendous amount of space. It goes deep. That looks to be about 600, 700 feet deep there. Absolutely astounding. And this is all yours, nothing but nature back here. So we got 2 beds and 1 full bath, and we're gonna check that out. One is on the first floor, the other one is on the second floor. It's got approximately, it's a little bit less than 1,400 square feet, this property. Let's see the inside. You got your standard kitchen, has a little eating area here, which is nice. Electric cooktop, tile backsplash. What I love about this property, and here you can see obviously the wood floors throughout. So this looks like yellow pine, and it runs all the way to the other side of the house. So the entire first floor here is hardwood. And look at these arches. This is consistent with plaster walls, which are just amazing for soundproof and for heat retention, air conditioning retention. These are all replacement windows at some point, so the whole house has replacement windows. So you got a little bit of damage from these radiators. They've been repaired, but look how these floors will shine up. That's all you need to do, is shine them up a little bit. Here we got a full bath. It's got the tile from yesteryear. And you have this large bedroom, more hardwood. I guess it's yellow pine, you really can't call it hardwood, but it's really nice once it's finished off, and that's something that you'll be able to do once you own it. It's got these thick baseboards, which is great. And then we have this upper level. So there's a huge expanse up here, big area for a bedroom, good windows. This is really nice, private up here, dual closets on either side to the attic edges. And then you have this walk-in closet. Let's check that out, let's walk through it. We've got the open air shelving, nice. More hot water baseboard heat up here, excellent. So this property has a full basement. It's not finished, but there's plenty of storage down there. And it has an interesting component. It's got a newer Weil-McLain boiler that operates the baseboard hot water heat. So we're just gonna do a quick shot so you can see that. So in the distance there, that's a newer model, and those are top of the line when it comes to hot water boilers. So I got a little bungalow in the middle of nowhere. You have no neighbors. If you want privacy, this is the property that would be perfect for you. 1.73 acres. You can see that it's really well kept. The inside, it's got a little work that needs to be done. We had a little bit of damage from a broken pipe that's been repaired. Seller is selling this one strictly as is. 2 beds, 1 bath, 16 East Factory Road, Winslow Township 08009. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you really loved it, give us a subscribe, and thank you for watching.